Surrender is the first thing that you need to do if you want to be a Vanara, if you want to live that lifestyle. Try to lift this Gada straight. Try to lift it straight up like this, okay? Without bending your elbow. No bending your elbow, okay? You can adjust according to your height. Lift. Straight. No bending the elbow. It's hard, right? No bending the elbow, no bending the spine, no bending forward, no squatting. Just straight. Lift it up. Come on, say. Hey, no bending the elbow. See, you should come up straight. Like this, okay? Come on, you can do it. No momentum. Just slowly. Momentum is not allowed. Slowly lift it. Okay? Hard, right? Now say Jai Shri Ram. Okay, surrender to Ram. And say Jai Shri Ram. Okay?
Jai Shri Ram.
See, better, no?
Yes.
Now say it with more bhakti, with more surrender. Say it with more surrender.
Jai Shri Ram.
No momentum. Okay? Slowly. Jai Shri Ram. Go up all the way up. Okay?
Jai Shri Ram.
Much better. See?
Jai Shri Ram.
See, where is this energy coming from?
No, I don't know.
That is Rama's energy, man. What does surrender mean? People confuse surrender. Surrender does not mean to give up your own will for someone else's will. Surrender means to come under the protection of Sharnagat. Sharnagat means at the feet of. So you are living at the feet of Sri Rama. You are living at the feet of nature, Mother Nature, Devi herself. So when you have surrender, when you are Sharanagat to Rama, that's when you are a Vanara. Sri Rama has blessed everyone who is a Vanara. That no harm will come to them in Kali Yuga. They will all be protected. The society of Vanaras will be protected. So you have to come and surrender. Be at the Sharanagat, be at the feet of Sri Rama. That's the first thing that you need to learn if you want to be a Vanar. Then I invite you to join our Vanar Lifestyle Tribe, where we keep sharing all of these skills and all of these lessons of Bhakti, of Seva, of Sadhana, of Hanuman. I'll see you in the tribe. Jai Shri Ram.
Thank you.
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.